The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone XS Max for Boost Mobile, guys. So the iPhone XS Max is now here at Boost Mobile. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's currently out of stock. They have it in 3 colors here. They have it in space gray, silver, and gold. It's $9.99. You can save $100. The full retail price of the iPhone XS Max is $10.99 for the 64GB version. So they have it in space gray, silver, and gold. The gold one is out of stock, so they're all out of stock here. 64GB is $9.99, 256GB $11.49, and 512GB is $13.49 there. So yeah, they're all out of stock there. So yeah. So let's go check out this phone. So it says you guys have the earpiece, front facing camera right there. There is a notch. You guys can't see it in this picture there, but there is a notch in the course. You guys have your sound switch there, your volume buttons, your power button on the right side. On the right side, like I said, power button, camera does stick out just a bit there. The back of the phone, front and back, dual cameras and stuff like that on the back. There's some space gray there. Back of the iPhone XS Max, you guys have dual cameras, Apple logo, and the iPhone logo. That's pretty much it there. And they show all the 3 colors: gold, space gray, and silver. So yeah. It says iPhone XS Max features a 6.5-inch Super Retina display with custom-built OLED panels for an HDR display that provides the industry best color accuracy, true blacks, and remarkable brightness. Advanced Face ID lets you securely unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay with just a glance. The A12 Bionic chip with next generation neutral engine uses real-time machine learning to transform the way you experience photos, gaming, augmented reality, and more. A breakthrough 12-megapixel dual camera system takes your portraits to the next level with portrait mode, portrait lighting, enhanced bokeh, and all-new depth control. Water resistant, and iOS 12, the most advanced mobile operating system with powerful new tools that make iPhone more personal than ever. Alright, so yeah, so the iPhone XS Max, of course, as you guys know, has a massive 6.5-inch display, 12-megapixel dual cameras on the back, 22 hours of talk time, 4K video, and iOS 12, of course. And how it works, guys, as you guys know, order the phone, wait for your phone to arrive, and pick a no contract plan. Alright, it says welcome to the big screens. Super Retina in 2 sizes, including the largest display ever on an iPhone, even faster Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system. iPhone XS is everything you love about iPhone, taken to the extreme. So they got iPhone comparisons between the iPhone XS Max, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone XS right there. Exceptional materials, the most durable glass ever in a smartphone, a beautiful new gold finish, achieved with an atomic level process, precision machine, surgical grade stainless steel bands, and a new level of water and dust resistance. Right? Advanced Face ID. Security is simple when your face is your password. You can unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay for things with a glance. It's the most secure facial authentication ever in a smartphone, and now it's even faster. So that is good news there. Intelligent A12 Bionic. This is the smartest, best powerful chip in a smartphone, with Apple's next generation neutral engine for amazing augmented reality experiences, include incredible portraits with depth control and speed and fluidity in everything you do. So this camera supposed to be really good. Breakthrough dual camera system. The world's most popular camera is defining a new era of photography, where an innovative sensor works with the ISP and neutral engine to help you create photos like never before. So it has all these features here and all that. So dual 12-megapixel rear cameras, has 4K videos at 60 frames. True depth camera, it's 7 megapixels in the front, and 1080p videos at 60 frames. Alright, And this iPhone XS delivers gigabit class LTE for super fast download speeds and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, making this Apple's highest capacity iPhone yet. And this offers all three storage options, so that's good. No other phone is like iPhone. Every decision that goes into iPhone makes it stand apart. From the way it's made to the way privacy and security are built in from the start, to the way Apple responsibly recycles it. Alright? Specs on the iPhone XS Max, as you guys know, has a built-in rechargeable battery. The battery is not removable, has 22 hours of talk time. It has three storage options: 64 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. It has A12 Bionic chip with next generation neutral engine, iOS 12. It has a dual 12 megapixel wide angle and telephoto cameras, portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control, and 4K videos recording at 24 frames, 30 frames, or 60 frames. It has a 6.5-inch Super Retina display. It's OLED. Your dimensions on the iPhone XS Max is 6.20 inches on the height, 3.5 inches on the width, and 0.30 inches on the depth. The iPhone XS Max weighs 7.34 ounces, so it's a bit hefty. The connectivity options that the iPhone XS Max has is Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Lightning connector, NFC with reader mode, alright? And what you guys get in the box is your standard iPhone, so you guys get the iPhone XS Max with iOS 12, Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, documentation, AirPods with Lightning connector, Lightning to USB power adapter, alright? And if you guys need help with your iPhone XS Max, Beast Mobile has you covered with that, with device support, and they'll help you out with different features of the phone and stuff like that. So, yeah, there it is, guys. iPhone XS Max available at Beast Mobile. It's currently out of stock right now, but hopefully they will have it back in stock very soon. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys smile a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.